In this video, I'll be showing you how to export Instagram chats and messages. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. But anyways, getting into it, it's very simple to go ahead and do this. So what we want to go ahead and do is open up our Instagram application, and you can do this on anything, whether you're on iPhone, Android, Samsung, or anything like that. So what we want to go ahead and do is on the bottom right, go ahead and click on our profile icon. Then on the top right, press the three lines, and you're going to be brought to settings and activity. Now, once you're here, you want to go over to your account center, which is at the very top. And now you're going to see a lot of different things here, but go over to your information and permissions like so. And at the very top, you're going to see export your information as one of the options. So that's the one you want to go ahead and click. It's then going to open up this browser where you're going to have to log into your Instagram account, and it's going to be able to send like all your data from Instagram so far over to you by email. Just note that it might take 24 hours to 48 hours for it to get to you. And then, yeah, you'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Check out all the other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well.